Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Craft Journey. In this video, I'm going to make an easy DIY desk calendar. So first, I got a print of 12 months of this year. And we need to separate the months like this. Now apply some glue as I'm doing here and let it dry. Okay, here we need a cardboard with some high gauge. And I'm marking 15 centimeter distance here. And through the long side of the card, we need to mark 10 centimeters, 18 centimeters, another 18 centimeters and 10 centimeters respectively. Okay, now we can separate the rectangle. I'm going to make the box from another shade of purple. Then I'm marking 2 centimeters, 9.5 centimeters, 2 centimeters, another 9.5 centimeters and 1 centimeter respectively. And from the other side, I'm marking 6.5 centimeters, 2 centimeters and 1 centimeter respectively. Here we need to keep only the parts I'm marking here. Now you can follow the steps I am doing here to complete the box. Sharing many kinds of crafting tutorials in our YouTube channel. So subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for more videos like this. Okay, now I'm going to make the flower. I got a white color paper and 2 shades of yellow for the flower. And here we need to cut square shapes from these papers. Dimensions as 7 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 5 centimeters. And now we can fold the square like this and cut a petal shape. We can get 3 flowers from 3 different colors from 3 sizes. And now I am embossing the petals of the flower like this to get a 3D look to the flower. Is done. Now let's see how to make some leaves. This step is really necessary to get a 3D look to the leaves. Okay, now we can arrange the flower, leaves and the box with the calendar. As the final step, we can glue these 2 sides. Hope you enjoyed our video. So give a like, comment and share with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for more videos like this.